my channel and thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and give me a big thumbs up and hit that bell so you get notifications every time I upload a video. Today's video is going to be all about your gallery wall. A lot of people have them in their houses now, and I've seen a lot of ideas or things on Pinterest. A lot of people actually don't have like pictures of their family up, which I thought was kind of weird because I've always wanted to like have like just a picture full of my family and my friends. I mean, I've seen a couple of people have actual pictures of their families, but it's kind of like boring to look at because it's just like the same picture frames down on a line, straight boxes or straight squares. But that's not me, and I like picture frames. I like different shapes, different styles. Every time I go on vacation, I have to get a picture frame. I wanted to do a photo gallery wall of my family and my friends, and there it is behind you. So I'm just going to show you what I did, how I achieved it, because it was a lot harder than I thought it was going to be. So with that being said, let's go back and show you what I did. So the first things I picked up were these signs and arrows from Hobby Lobby, this family and memory sign. Don't worry about my son, he thinks I'm playing, so he's playing. And then I got some white gloss spray paint from Walmart. I probably won't buy this spray paint again, only because when I spray painted it on to these items, it didn't quite come off as white. So I ended up taking some sandpaper to these and just giving them a little bit more of a rustic look. And then what I'm doing here is just pretty much starting to put up all of my picture frames. That tool that I'm using, I purchased from Home Depot, and it's called Hang It Perfect. And it was actually really difficult to use because I guess I didn't quite understand how it went, but it really only worked best for picture frames that have two sides to it to where you can hook your nails or your hooks on. So it only really worked for the larger frames that I had. I mean, it does work well because it helps you get those two holes into the wall and keep them straight. So all of the bigger picture frames that I have came out great because of that tool, but I didn't need to use it for the smaller picture frames because they only had one place where I would have to hang a nail in. So I probably wouldn't recommend buying it if you have a bunch of smaller picture frames, but if you have a bunch of pictures that you're gonna hang up in your house that are two-sided, that you need to make sure they're leveled, then it's definitely a good investment. We'll definitely keep it for the larger items that we're gonna hang throughout our house. And so for the arrow right here, I had to actually hot glue on this prong piece so that way I could hang it up on the wall. Luckily, the family and memories sign, those had the holes in the back of it. So here is my finished family photo gallery wall, and I absolutely adore it. I love that it's just so random but so cohesive. Thanks again for watching, guys. Please make sure you subscribe so you can catch my videos on a weekly basis, as well as my DIYs that I put together. Until next time, bye!